Croatia and just about to cross the border into Bosnia.
Bosnie-Herzégovine.
Huh?
Bosnie-Herzégovine.
Yeah, Herzegovina.
Herzégovine. Bosnie et Herzégovine, dont la capitale est Sarajevo, a des frontières avec la Croatie, la Serbie et le Monténégro. Il y a seulement 20 km de côte au niveau de la mer Adriatique. Quand on est rentré dans le pays, on a été surpris par toutes ces maisons très colorées.
Hello, Bosnia. We've been across the border about 15 minutes and we've already seen about 20 times we wanted to stop. This one we just couldn't refuse. It's gorgeous. There's this little mini island here. There's Steph over the other side. So far, Bosnia, huge thumbs up. This is postcard perfect. We're just in the middle of a little suburb here, or on a little mini island. What do you reckon of Bosnia so far, Steffi? Big thumbs up, that's what I said before. Wow, maybe we don't go any further, we're just going to camp here on the bridge. So good old maps me. I put in the castle because I assumed that was it. Boom. And now it's took us up that awesome little trail. This water looks really, really clean. We've had a drink already, so any opportunity, free fill up. We're going to fill up both tanks, camper and car. Oh, look at him. It's so cute, look at him go.
Nous suivons la rivière, qui est aussi la frontière avec la Croatie, sur ce qui sert de route principale. Très rapidement, nous trouvons un campement magnifique.
So another spectacular campsite found for the night. Steffi's hard at work doing the washing. Filming the washing. We got some neighbours as well cranking out the tunes. We're just past the little village of Hvala where we went to that castle, and this is on our doorstep tonight, so at least I can have a rinse. It's freezing, but you get used to it after a while. That's cold. What you got down here? We stole a little trick from the locals over here. They had a big one, but we've got a little watermelon here, and this water is icy cold. And just leave it in there. Yeah, that dude's not going to be happy about that. But look how good they are. I can walk in the river with them. I couldn't do this in my thong. That's hot. New addition. We got rid of the little easy stove, which we weren't sure about doing, but we like to cook on the coals better. So this is a little braai done by Tough Trek. Thank you, Dara. This is the first time we've used it, so we'll let you know how it goes. Steffi, as usual, has turned it on. And these two pieces of watermelon were an awesome gift from our neighbours. A couple of kids came over from the Bosnian family over there and bought us 2 slices of a really nice looking watermelon. So there's dessert in this magical little campsite that we've got going on here. Bonjour, Steffi. Where are we heading today? Into Mostar. And maybe a haircut. Maybe the mullet getting chopped off.
Good. 10 euro.
10 euro.
No limit.
No limit.
No limit.
No limit. This little overlander here is so resourceful. We've come in, we thought that we'd make the most. In as though we got stung 10 euro to park in Mostar, we're going to utilise the beautiful weather and hang out the laundry.
Après de longues minutes à attendre un plongeur qui s'avérera uniquement récolter des pièces des touristes et ne jamais sauter, nous préférons nous promener dans les rues moins touristiques. Personne n'a oublié la guerre en Bosnie. C'était au début des années 90 et aujourd'hui on observe les blessures de ce triste passé.
In our 10 euro expensive car park has turned out to be a bit of a bargain because we popped the top and we're staying the night. We asked the local guy, the attendant, he said yes of course, no problem. So now we're making ourselves at home about 200 metres from the old town centre. It's so hot today, it was really humid as well, so we had a nice refreshing shower. 5-star camping, fresh pasta and mushroom sauce. Bonjour! Overnight brekkie once again in a lovely little location. We've left Mostar nice and early and come about 15 kilometres out. So we're going to try and hike up there and do some rock climbing this morning. On the right track, Steffi. Steep and slippy rock. So we're making our way up this trail to the crag and very loose rock and super steep, as you can see there. Steph's slipping all over the place. We got off track as usual, bush bashing our way through. So we ended up miles. We found a crag. This looks really cool. Alright, so I had a really cool morning climb, 10 o'clock, the sun's coming, so we're out of here. Here the challenge arises, loose rock everywhere. I'm coming! We're at the bottom of the crag, and all the tourists are headed this way, so we thought we'd better come and have a look.
And it's under the rain that we are just about to leave Bosnia. Retrouvez-nous la semaine prochaine au Monténégro, on a de belles surprises pour vous. Merci d'être de plus en plus nombreux à regarder nos vidéos, ça fait vraiment plaisir. N'hésitez pas à nous laisser vos commentaires. À très bientôt, bisous.